come on. Well, guess that's it for my favorite team, but that's not gonna stop me from hosting a big game day party. And if you're like me, you don't want to serve some boring old queso made with that bright neon cheese-like substance. I've got a recipe for you. It's my HuffDaddy Dip made with cream cheese, sausage, corn, onions. It's a different twist on the queso, and I guarantee you're gonna like it. Every time I serve it at one of my parties, everyone always asks, can I have the recipe? This dip is amazing. Well, now we're about to go over how you can make this dip at home. Here's what you'll need. You'll need 1 roll of your favorite breakfast sausage, 1 medium yellow onion, 4 blocks of your favorite cream cheese, 1 can of whole kernel sweet corn, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, hot or mild, your preference, and Head Country Championship seasoning. You'll also need a Dutch oven or big cast iron pot. Place your cast iron pot on the stove over medium-high heat. Brown the sausage in the cast iron pot until almost cooked through. While the sausage is cooking, coarsely chop 1 medium yellow onion. Add the onion to the pan and cook until translucent and soft, about 5 minutes. Now take those 4 blocks of cream cheese and turn them into about 1-inch cubes. To the onion and sausage mixture, add the can of corn, the can of Rotel, and all the cubes of cream cheese. Finally, sprinkle on a little of that Head Country Championship seasoning. You could finish this dip on the stove, or you could just dump it in a crock pot and let it melt and come together. But what really makes this dip special is finishing it in the smoker. It really takes on a smoky flavor. It's something unique, and your guests are gonna love it. I fire up my Yoder Smoker's YS 1500 to 300 degrees. Set the pot in the smoker on the lowest rack and let the smoker do its thing. Be sure to give the pot a stir about every 15 minutes or so. After about 60 minutes in the smoker, you'll have a pot of wonderful cream cheese, sausage, corn, Rotel, onions. This is gonna be a real hit at your Super Bowl party, I promise you. Been making this queso for years and everyone always loves it. So, have fun at your Super Bowl party or whatever party you're making the queso for. And thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell to get the notifications. And thanks a lot, see you around.